Immigrant rights organizations are trying to bail out two women at the center of a lawsuit against ICE's holding room operations in Baltimore. The class action suit claims these rooms are inhumane. WJZ is live. Our Dennis Valera was in federal court today in downtown Baltimore, and he breaks down what happened. Dennis.
Nikki, the women's lawyers tried to fast track their bail. The judge denied that, though, saying that there are logistical and timing constraints, also saying there doesn't appear to be exceptional circumstances at this time. That's something the women's lawyers disagree with. An effort to bail out two women front and center of a class action lawsuit against ICE's holding rooms in Baltimore will be considered later this month, along with other motions. After making her decision, the judge said in court, "I'm not smelling exceptional circumstances from these papers." She also prefaced it's not her official position on the matter. Amelia Dagan is an attorney with the Amicus Center for Immigrant Rights, one of the organizations that filed this lawsuit. She disagreed with the judge's notion, saying the plaintiffs have been receiving inadequate medical care in ICE custody. They were initially in the Baltimore holding rooms in May, but have since been transferred out of state.
They both have children and elderly parents that they are caring for, so there are exceptional circumstances that would absolutely make them eligible for release on bail.
Other motions in consideration are to allow claims to be made by anyone who's currently or in the future detained in the holding cells, and a preliminary injunction that would force ICE to follow its own rules. The complaint claims detainees in Baltimore are subject to inhumane conditions and are held beyond the 12 hours ICE policy dictates. Dagan says that motion is critical as immigration enforcement continues to ramp up.
ICE is setting increasingly high quotas for themselves to arrest more and more of our members of community and our family members. So that will mean that there will be more and more people stuck in holding rooms like the one in Baltimore that are not designed for long-term residential use.
In court, a Justice Department prosecutor says the claims are incorrect and inaccurate. ICE has defended its Baltimore operations, saying they're in full compliance with federal law. Hearing in this case is set for July 29th. In the past, the judge has ruled to block the deportation of these two women for as long as the case goes on. Reporting live on your corner downtown, I'm Dennis Valera for WJZ.
Dennis, thank you.